New year, new you, new skincare. Woo! I'm Katie.
I'm Libby.
I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils, and today we're going to teach you how to make a soothing zinc body butter. People love this recipe for soothing irritated skin like insect bites or acne. Give it a try and see what your results are on this toxin-free recipe. Here's what you'll need to make soothing zinc body butter. You'll need a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, a tablespoon of almond oil, Camphor Essential Oil, and zinc oxide, another soothing ingredient.
All right, let's make this.
To start, we're going to melt our coconut oil and almond oil. This is going to be the base for our body butter.
All right, so we've got our 4th cup of solid coconut oil, and now we're going to add a tablespoon of almond oil. So we are going to melt this in a double boiler. Basically, this just goes over your pan that has a little bit of water in it, and the water will get hot, which then will melt the oils in this little pot. Now that we've got this melted up, what do we do next?
We're gonna add 15 drops of Camphor Essential Oil, which is really great for skincare. And we're gonna add a teaspoon of zinc oxide. So now we'll just mix this up. Then we're gonna pour this into a bowl to cool and make it easier to mix. We're gonna set this in the fridge to speed up the cooling process. So once it's solidified, but still a little bit soft, you can mix it using a hand mixer. You can also whip this up with a spoon. So once it's all whipped up, it's gonna be smooth and creamy and wonderful. And it's super soothing on the skin and moisturizing. This recipe is great for winter months where skin is getting dry and irritated. This body butter will be really soothing and can really help moisturize the skin. Once it's all whipped up, it's ready to be used. Just put it in a sealable container and make sure to put a label on it. For more great recipes like this one, make sure to hit subscribe and check out our blog at simplyearth.com.
I'm Libby, Simply Earth team member.
And I'm Katie, certified aromatherapist for Simply Earth, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils. Hope you love this recipe. Make sure to give it a try and tell us how it goes in the comments.
See you later. Why are you making things awkward?
I'm not. This is cool.